Yes, today we will do EVS. Today we will start about new topic, that is about plants. Okay, today I will tell you about plants. What are plants? Where can you see the plants?
Garden.
Yes, in the garden. Then outside, park. Yes, then even in your home you have plants, isn't it? Yes, isn't it? Yes. Yes, it is in the sand pit also. Yes. Now, today we will do about plants. Okay? Plants are living things. Okay? Plants are. How does a plant grow? First, what we should do? Yes. First, we should dig it. Then, what we should do? Yes, we should sow the seeds. Then after sowing, what we should do? We should pour the water. Then after that what we should do? Yes, after that the sunlight will come. The sunlight will fall on the seeds and it will grow into two or three leaves. Then it will grow into a big plant, this much plant. Okay? Then it will grow into a bud. Then it will flower. Shall I show you something here? Yes. First, which part is this? Roots. After that, which one? Stem. Then, next part is 3 to 4 leaves. Then, after that, what it will grow? Bud. Then, after that? Flower. So, which part is this? Roots. Which part is this?
Stem.
Then which part is this?
Leaf.
Then what is this?
Flower.
This one? Bud. Then what is this?
Flower.
Yes. First root, stem, leaf, bud, flower. Then that shows this is a plant. What is this? Plant.